Hi, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. The world's first 3D printed rocket failed to reach orbit on its debut launch. Relativity Space's Terran 1 rocket lifted off from Launch Complex 16 at Cape Canaveral on March 23rd, beginning a test flight without a payload, called Good Luck Have Fun. Initially, the Terran 1 rocket performed well. The rockets overcame the stage of the flight during which the loads on the structure are maximum, and its first and second stages separated successfully, but soon, after about 3 minutes of launch, something went wrong, and the second stage failed to reach orbit. Still, the launch was a milestone for Relativity Space, because it showed the viability of launch vehicles built with 3D printing technology. Relativity Space, founded in 2016, aims to launch relatively small payloads with its single-use two-stage Terran 1 rocket. The 33-meter high rocket is capable of launching up to 1,250 kilograms of payloads into low Earth orbit. The first Terran 1 rocket consisted of about 85% mass from 3D printed materials, but the company intends to bring that number up to 95% on future vehicles. The company says the cost of launching the Terran 1 rocket is about $12 million. Relativity Space has no plans to stop there. The company has already awarded more than $1.5 million in launch contracts. Some of that money is for launches of the Terran 1 rocket, but most of it is for launches of the Terran R. It is a larger, more powerful and reusable launch vehicle that Relativity Space plans to launch for the first time as early as next year. Terran R is expected to have a height of 66 meters. 3D printing technology will also be used to build it and will be able to launch up to 20 tons of payload into low Earth orbit. Interestingly, the Terran 1 rocket runs on liquid methane and liquid oxygen and could become the first methane-fueled rocket to reach orbit. Unless, of course, the Juke 2 rocket, which is being developed by the private Chinese company Land Space, is ahead of it. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.